Okay, I'm doing a review on this typewriter. I just got it in the mail, and that's how it comes. It does come in a box. It says what your package is. But they do give an option that if you want covered package, to let them know. Okay, so here is the typewriter. It's a cute little thing. It did come with these 3 little plastic pieces here. And it had it locked in place so during transport nothing would get broke. And it also had, and I want to point this out, this little metal bar here going this way. Now that has to come out, so it just easily slips out to make your typewriter start working. It even came with paper, and it looked like somebody was typing, trying it out before they shipped it. But it's cute, and I am loving this brand. This is a great brand. If you're looking for anything old or decent price, I'm in love. So this is what you got.